Christmas is only 2 months away. Are your cards made? They better be. If not, watch this. Welcome to the Prickly Pear YouTube channel. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Hello everyone, my name is Brennan and I am a design team member for the Prickly Pear YouTube channel and, well, in general. Today I'm sharing with you a wonderful Christmas card to hopefully inspire you to start making your Christmas cards. We don't have that long left, so you need to get started. All the supplies I'm using today is very kindly sent to me from Prickly Pear, because design team member, but let's just get into the video because I am so excited to share this card. So for today's card, we're going to be using these stamps and die. We're going to be using this wonderful the truck winter stamp set. This one I love, the little red truck. And then we're going to be using the scalloped oval dies, nesting dies. I just got these, so I'm really excited to use them. That's why they're still connected. I haven't even cut them apart yet, but I just love them and I'm so excited to use them. As well as the Christmas with Spinach and Ramona stamp set, I'm going to be using the Merry Christmas sentiment there. I really just like the font on it, so I thought it would be really nice to use with this card. But first, let's start our background making. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a regular good old card base, and I'm going to take some distress sprays. We want the truck to pop, so we're going to use colors that are near the opposite of red, because it's a red truck. So I'm going to be using some greens and a bluish green. So I'm just going to shake these, and then we'll start spraying. So I'm going to go in first with some cracked pistachio because this is the green, so I ultimately want it to be the base color and be the most prominent, and we'll just add a little bit of that too. Now a little salvage patina. And now also just a little bit of Mermaid Lagoon. Okay, so now I'm just going to set this, actually a little more cracked pistachio. See, y'all can see my creative process. It's not always set in stone. Just doing random stuff, and you know what, a little more salvage patina. Okay, so now I'm going to set this off to the side to dry, and then we'll do a little bit of coloring. It's coloring time! So we're going to take R29 and R27 to do the red part of the truck. I'm going to be doing the darker color just around the edges, because that will be the darker color, and then we'll do the lighter color, and we'll make it look great, because then it pops. If you color before, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, you're going to see. So I'm also just going to do the top in the darker color, because I don't feel like shading that tiny area, and I did a little bit in the mirrors in the darker color. Now I'm going to go in with R27, the lighter color. These are also Copics, by the way, and I'm just going to shade all the white area left, just to get the really nice blend of ingredient. So I'm just going to keep doing that until all of the truck space is covered. And there was a little part that was white, so I just went in with the lighter color. Now I'm going to take C4 and C3, and I'm going to do C4 first, because that's the darker one, and just add on the edges. I realized it wasn't even and added a little bit more. I'm also going to do the license plate and the wheels just in the darker gray, as well as the little ring around the headlights, also in the darker gray, the C4. Then I'm going to go in with the C3, and I'm just going to add any of the white area to shade it to get the really nice gradient and transition. I'm going to go over it a couple of times just to ensure I get a really seamless blend, because we want it to look as good as possible. Then I'm going to go in with Y28. For some reason my markers did not want to focus on this, but anyways. So our Y28, it's funny, it's technically a yellow, but it looks like it would be much more in the neutral families. Now I'm going to take B000, and I'm just going to do a little parts of the windshield just to make it look like there actually is glass there. It just adds a really nice little highlight, and I really like how it looks. Lastly, we're going to go Y18 and Y13 for the headlights, and that will finish off our truck. Okay, so I used the coordinating die for the truck, to cut out the truck, of course, and then I used the second largest oval, or the third smallest, whatever, to do the oval. And I also stamped out the Merry Christmas onto my background, the bottom center, with the Merry Christmas stamp set from the Spinach and Ramona Christmas stamp set. That one, I really love the font on this. So now I'm just going to take my glue, and I'm just going to add a little at the back of the truck. We're going to glue that down in the oval, trying our best to center it, but hey, this is a handmade card. It might not be exactly perfect, and that is A-okay. But to me, that looks pretty good. Now we're just going to add some glue to the back of the oval. And we're going to, once again, try our best to center. Actually, I want to move that down a slight bit. Okay, that's also looking pretty good. So now what we're just going to do is add our black mat, and then I'm going to glue it down in my card base, and we will have a finished card. Also, if you're still watching, all the Halloween products in the Prickly Pear shop through October 31st are 31% off to celebrate Halloween. So if you need some more Halloween supplies, or if you want to stock up for next year because it is fast approaching, this would be the perfect time to do so. Okay, and now lastly, I'm just going to glue my card front with the mat down to the base, and then we will have a finished card. And here is our finished card. I love how this came out. The background looks amazing. Okay, I know I already said it, but I just love how this background comes out, or came out, but it just looks amazing. I just love how it works with the truck. Thank you all so much for watching, and I really hope that you have a great rest of your day. If you don't mind, please hit the subscribe button and the like button if you enjoyed this video. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Bye everyone, and happy crafting!